Hey guys, it's Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases. These releases will be live Wednesday at noon Eastern. Let's go ahead and get into them. There are 3 collections, 2 foil bundles, which this is just kind of like going over me separating the 7-year bundles, and then also 10 doodles. Let's go through the 10 doodles first. So this is 121 through 130. So first there are some super cute little slippers, a needle and thread, little popcorn bowls, some yarn, some little like boba tea, some Apple Watches, suitcases, airplanes, inhalers, and then little passports with the tickets inside. I thought those were so cute. Love those. So again, those will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. I do have the Luxe mixed metal foil bundle coming, and this will mark me separating the 7-year bundle. So the kit will also be available by itself along with the foil bundle, and then also the remaining pocket lockets from Print Impression. So this will be available on its own along with all of those items. So you can no longer get it with the bundle with the discount anymore. So these will be available on their own. And then I do have a foil bundle for this week that's just a standard foil bundle, and I love this one. The color is so pretty. It's way prettier than I expected it to be, actually, because it reminds me a lot of, what was it called, like Pink Sparkly Hollow or something like that. So this is green, and it is in the twinkle format. So let me go ahead and show you guys the sheets, and then I'll show you guys the foil on the mat. I feel like you can see it the best. So you have the full box and the header sheet. You get 2 of those, of course. You get 2 of the bougie boxes, the icons and the scripts, and then the bottom washi, the fancy headers, the deco, and then the date numbers. And then let me show you the gorgeous matte sample if you're going to pick it up. But let me show you it with like a flashlight, because I feel like under studio lights, things just look kind of dull. That's like how it looks without studio lights on. It's so pretty. But you see how I like kind of get the same vibes as the Sparkly Pink Hollow, where there's just so many like really pretty colors in it. It's like a really nice shade of green. I'm just obsessed with it, and I think it's so pretty. So there is that foil bundle. Let's go into the kits for this week. I do have 2 reformats and then a newer kit. So let's go into the newer kit first. I think this is a really nice anytime kit. Kind of gives me spring, summer, or fall vibes. So let me go ahead and show you guys this one. This one is called OOTD, like outfit of the day. And all the kits this week come in Ultimate and Mini. So here are the full boxes. Just like nice, like marble, fashion, makeup-y, kind of like, just like a chill vibe that I feel is really good for anytime with the terrazzo print. A tall box over here. Really lovely colors. Again, I think this will actually be really pretty in the fall. Like kind of like going in towards like November even. Cooler months. It's an anytime kit, guys. It's an anytime kit. I love it. I love the like contrasting bottom wash, which I think looks really good with the marble. And then you do have the white with black script freebie. So that is the ultimate kit. Let me go ahead and show you guys the mini kit. Cannot believe that I put up 3 videos last week. It's been like 100 years, but I'm really trying to get back into videos. I feel like Kane has been inspiring me so much to like film, because he has been on a fire schedule. So I need to get back on my game. There are 2 add-ons for this. I think I might have another haul this week though, because since the last clip of the haul that I put up on Friday, which is today that I'm filming this, I haven't filmed since then, and that was like a month ago. And I do actually have quite a bit of stuff, so I might do like a 1 take. I mean, it might be multiple takes because, you know, I might need a break, but like a 1-day haul. Like I'll just film like I have a pile. So it'll be really interesting because I don't feel like I've done like a collective like pile of stuff in a haul. So that might come up this week too, so we'll see. But I would really like to have a plan with me up, but like don't hold your breath. But like I'm hoping it would be really cool. Give me encouraging comments down below to like get me in the filming zone. So now I have 2 reformats. This one was highly requested. The other one I think was requested, but actually Kirsten requested it, and you know, if Kirsten requested it, I'm like, yes. I just love her too much to say no. So let's go ahead and go into these reformats. This one was highly requested. I do ask for reformat requests and things like that in the Facebook group. So if you're not in our Facebook group, definitely join. I ask every couple of months, I ask for reformat requests. Usually I have some kind of theme. Like I'm like, okay, what kind of fall kits do we need? What kind of Christmas kits do you want to see like reformatted? And I go through those results and see like what everybody wants. So Herbology 101 was one of the, it was just a general reformat request. It was really high up there, along with like Up and Darla and a lot of the other ones I already released. So this is kind of on the tail end of that that poll in particular. And now I have a poll up that is for Christmas and Halloween. So I have already started working through those to start reformatting those for you guys. So I have them prepped for in a couple of months. I'm not releasing Halloween and Christmas yet, so we got a little bit. So this is the full boxes. I did reformat all the full boxes. I feel like there's rarely a kit that I reformat that I don't like just start fresh and just change up everything. I might take some inspiration from what I did in the initial full boxes, but I really like starting fresh and making something new, so that if maybe you already use this kit, it could kind of get a little bit of a different vibe based on what I chose for this version. So those are the full boxes, and you have your extra full boxes over here in the Ultimate kit. You have your patterns, which I think are super cute. I love these colors. I think a lot of people really like the colors. This was a really nice like back to school alternative. I do know that I am reformatting Hello Class. That'll be coming out. It's already reformatted. And then I will have custom art for school, and then I know at least one artist that has like school plans. So there's going to be lots of back to school options, but I also think this is just nice. Obviously, if you love wizarding things or just like an anytime kit for the fall, or if you want to save it for next spring, plant lovers also. And then the freebie is the extra color, which is a really nice gray. So I think that looks super cute. It also does come in a mini kit, of course. And then there are 3 add-on options for this kit. So you do have the 15mm strip, the label sampler, and then also the fashion options as well. And then last but not least, this is called Amusement Park. I think, yeah. I mean, it's an amusement park and a water park, but also a water park can be considered an amusement park. I don't know. But I'm really excited about this because this was last year's mystery. And it's funny because I think it was like March. And then like, I don't know if anybody went to an amusement park till like this year. So I'm giving it its second life, and I think the boxes turned out so cute when I redid them, and I just feel like this art was so pretty. Like the colors of this, I feel like you could use this if you're going to Disney, you could use it if you're going to like Six Flags, you could use it if you're going to like a local water park. I personally love water parks. I haven't been to one in a while, but we have like Schlitterbahn in Texas. I don't know if they're anywhere else, but I love water parks. I love amusement parks. I love rides. I'm a big, like, I just love all of it. There's not one, well, I don't like the rides that you like go up and then they just drop you. I don't know. One, it's just kind of like a little scary, but then also it's a little boring. I don't know. But everything else I love, especially water slides. I haven't been on like a proper water slide in years, and I just miss it. I love it all. So you do have the 2 double boxings. I feel like you could totally like take these apart though and use them separately. With a quote box would be perfect. You have a little map with little tickets and a fanny pack, a funnel cake with Dippin' Dots, which I also love Dippin' Dots, and a little drink, a little stack of towels, sunglasses, and then a little fan. And then a little like swim kind of setup here with the swimsuit, flip-flops, sunscreen, and phone with a little tube in the corner. I think this turned out really cute. And I'm hoping that next year I'll be able to use this because it's such a pretty kit. And again, I love these colors. You do have 2 fashion options over here since there are none in the full boxes, but there is a fashion add-on if you want to add those. But what I did for this is these ones have like fun hair colors. So this one has more of the like purpley color, and then this one has kind of like the lilac-y colored hair. I thought that was cute. And then the regular fashion option has like more like natural color hair. So you have all of the goodies, the glitter headers, the half boxes, the little things, the pattern little things, and then the bottom washi, which is a really pretty pattern. I love the polka dot with the splatter. And then the extra is that purple color, like I was saying, in her hair, and I think it's gorgeous. So that is the Ultimate kit. Again, a reformat of one of last year's mysteries. And then you have the mini kit as well. And then the add-on options, you have the 15mm strip, the label sampler, and then like I said before, you do have the option if you want to add on the fashions. So that is everything for this week. I hope that you guys like this week's new releases. I am really excited, hopefully, like I said, to use that kit next year. And these kits are just so pretty. I love how they've been kind of anytime, so you can totally buy them and hoard them to save for later. And this foil bundle is so epic. I think it's probably my favorite green that we've ever released out of all of the foils. I don't think we've ever released a green like this before. I don't think so. I feel like a lot of the greens that we've released are like emeraldy colors, which are pretty, but I feel like this one's just really special. So I hope you guys like this week's new releases, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!